Welcome to our exploration of the Right to Information Act, a cornerstone of democracy in India. This powerful legislation was enacted to promote transparency and accountability within government institutions across the nation. By granting citizens the right to access information, the RTI Act empowers individuals to hold public authorities accountable, ensuring governance is conducted openly. But what exactly is the RTI Act, and why is it so significant? In today's session, we dive into the essence of this landmark law, its objectives, and its pivotal role in fostering a transparent and accountable government. We'll uncover how the RTI Act serves as a vital tool for citizens, enabling them to seek information and actively participate in the democratic process. Join us as we lay the foundation for understanding the RTI Act before delving into a complex issue: its misuse. Stay tuned as we explore how the Punjab and Haryana High Court recently addressed this critical concern, setting the stage for a deeper understanding of the Act's true purpose. In recent years, the Right to Information, or RT Act, has played a crucial role in promoting transparency and accountability across India. However, this powerful tool has sometimes been misused as a weapon of harassment. Some individuals have exploited the Act, inundating public officials and institutions with vexatious requests aimed at causing distress and disruption. This misuse burdens the system and undermines the very essence of the RTI Act. The consequences of such harassment are profound. Individuals find themselves entangled in unnecessary legal battles, while institutions face undue pressure and distraction from their legitimate duties. The challenge lies in balancing genuine requests for information and curbing those that serve no purpose other than harassment. Distinguishing between these can be daunting. As the conflict surrounding RTI misuse grows, it becomes imperative to address these issues head-on. With legal frameworks still evolving to meet these challenges, one must consider the implications of misuse on both individuals and the broader community. The Punjab and Haryana High Court's recent ruling provides clarity and hope for safeguarding the true intent of the RTI Act. In the heart of the Punjab and Haryana High Court, a pivotal case unfolded, challenging the essence of the Right to Information Act. This segment delves into a legal battle centered around allegations of RTI misuse. At its core, the case highlights a conflict where the Act, designed to foster transparency, was allegedly wielded as a tool for harassment. The courtroom became a battleground for justice, with parties presenting their arguments. On one side, individuals claimed their right to information, while on the other, there were allegations of harassment under the guise of transparency. Through meticulous examination, the court sought to unravel these complexities. The parties involved included concerned citizens, legal representatives, and institutional bodies, all wrestling with the question of intent and abuse of legal rights. This case was not merely about an isolated incident. It symbolized a broader issue of maintaining integrity within the RTI framework. As we explore this legal narrative, the stage is set for the court's involvement, a critical moment where justice seeks to clarify boundaries and restore the RTI Act's true purpose. This examination leads us to the next segment, where we will explore the court's ruling and its implications on future RTI practices. In a landmark decision, the Punjab and Haryana High Court delivered a ruling redefining the boundaries of the Right to Information Act. This ruling addresses the critical issue of misuse, emphasizing that the RTI Act cannot be employed as a weapon for harassment. The court's decision was clear. While the RTI Act is vital for transparency and accountability, it is not a tool for personal vendettas or to burden individuals and institutions with malicious intent. The court meticulously dissected the legal interpretation of the RTI Act, focusing on its original intent: to empower citizens and foster openness in governance. However, it also acknowledged the increasing trend where individuals exploit this right for purposes far removed from its noble objectives. The judgment serves as a clarion call, clarifying that any request under the RTI Act must be genuine, aligned with public interest. By reaffirming the Act's true purpose, the court has provided much-needed clarity on what constitutes legitimate use versus misuse. This ruling not only protects the integrity of the RTI framework, but also safeguards the rights of individuals and institutions from unwarranted harassment. As we delve into the implications of this judgment in the next segment, We will explore how this ruling could shape future RTI requests and what it means for activists and citizens committed to upholding transparency. The recent ruling by the Punjab and Haryana High Court marks a pivotal moment in interpreting the RTI Act. This decision is more than just a legal clarification. It's a beacon for future RTI requests, ensuring they align with the Act's intended purpose. By setting this precedent, the court has provided essential guidance for RTI activists and users alike, emphasizing that information rights must be exercised with integrity and respect. The implications are profound, extending beyond the legal realm into social consciousness. This ruling serves as a reminder that while the RTI Act empowers citizens with access to information, it is not a tool for harassment. Instead, it should be wielded to uphold transparency and accountability within society. As we move forward, this decision will influence how requests are crafted and processed, reinforcing the true spirit of the Act. It calls upon all stakeholders to act with responsibility and foresight. With these insights, we transition to our next segment, where we explore how respecting the RTI Act's purpose can foster a culture of openness without overstepping boundaries. In conclusion, the Punjab and Haryana High Court's decision marks a pivotal moment in upholding the integrity of the Right to Information Act. This ruling is a clear reminder that while the RTI Act is a formidable tool for ensuring transparency, its power comes with a responsibility not to misuse it. The court's decision underscores the importance of utilizing the RTI Act to foster accountability, not as a weapon for harassment. We urge all RTI activists and users to approach their requests with genuine intent, upholding the spirit of the law. Let us remember that our right to information is a privilege that must be exercised judiciously. It's crucial to maintain transparency and openness in governance, while respecting the privacy and dignity of others. As we move forward, let this decision guide us in using the RTI Act wisely and responsibly. It is through such conscientious actions that we can truly honor the law's purpose and contribute positively to our society. Thank you for joining us in exploring this significant legal interpretation, and remember, with great power comes great responsibility.